Welcome to the Tao of Women. We are here in this present moment, and we're about to receive the sixth passage of the Tao of Women. And let us just take a moment to arrive here in our body with our breath, so we can receive the transmission of the Tao. So as we just breathe for a moment, really feeling your inhale as it fills your body, and your exhale as you release and let go. And the releasing and letting go is an emptying so that we can receive this transmission today. One more breath as we open our perception to receive this passage. And today's passage from the Tao of Women is passage 6. And let's let these words be like raindrops of wisdom on a thirsty earth, or perhaps like warmth and a dry warmth in a cold, dark place. Passage 6, womb. The wise woman remembers her origins. She returns often for self-renewal and rebirth. For the children of the world, Mother Earth offers a safe place to explore, a source of nourishment and possibility for growth. The wise woman guards the natural order of creation. Let's breathe that in. We'll read that one more time. Womb. The wise woman remembers her origins. She returns often for self-renewal and rebirth. For the children of the world, Mother Earth offers a safe place to explore, a source of nourishment and possibility for growth. The wise woman guards the natural order of creation. Now, something I haven't been doing, but I want to do now, is remember this book is sharing a lost language of women that was hidden. And so I want to show you what the new Shu characters are. So you can see the Chinese characters for womb. And so small, hidden in plain sight, you see these little characters. That's new Shu. That is the hidden language of women that we just discovered. So let's practice, and I'll read it to you again. But as we come into our practice space, finding your feet on the earth, dropping in with your breath, let's just bring our hands to our womb. This form that we're about to practice is a bone marrow washing form. It's called showering Qi. And so dropping your attention down into your womb, feeling your feet on the earth, gently soften your knees and feel as if you're sitting on a tall stool, top of your head lifted. And now just take a moment That passage said the wise woman guards the creation and protects earth. So feel your hands as if you're feeling the earth energy, and feel how your body is like earth. And feel the form of your body and the form of earth. And now here, let's just lift up for a moment and feel the formless and the expansiveness of the sky and of the heavens. And feel how your spirit and your consciousness is like the sky and the heavens. Feel how the different parts of you are like the different parts of creation. And as we lower our hands, just for a moment, we'll bring our hands to the center point between earth and sky and see how your heart is here, your humanness is here, your humanity. And now we'll come back to the womb. We'll return to our origins and we'll start this practice, showering chi. And so as we begin, you inhale and you let your hands float out. As your hands rise, your body sinks and your hands float out to the horizon, palms down. And when you exhale, leading from your thumbs, turn your palms over and your hands sink down and your body rises. And now when you're ready to inhale, you inhale now and you grasp the heavens. You connect with the heavens. And there's a sinkingness. My body sinks as my hands rise. And now I'm going to let my hands float down and my body is going to rise. And as my hands are floating down, I am showering my body. I'm renewing my body as I return down to my womb. So we're going to open and connect with the earth. Our hands rise, our body sinks, turning your shoulders over, leading from your thumbs. Your palms turn, your arms sink, your body rises. Inhaling, gathering the heavens, your body sinks. And then showering your body with this mixture of heaven and earth chi all the way down through your body, down to your womb. And then we start again. We inhale, drawing up the earth. And exhale, opening ourselves up to receive as we inhale, drawing in the heavens. And then as our hands float down, we're showering chi. We are renewing and replenishing ourselves with creation and returning to our origin. Let's do this again. I'm going to start to give fewer and fewer instructions so you can let the form teach you. Let earth and sky shower and renew you and replenish you as you return to your origin. Beautiful. Now that you have an idea, stay in the practice, and I'm going to read it to you. So let this passage be imprinted into your womb. Womb. The wise woman remembers her origins. She returns often for self-renewal and rebirth. For the children of the world, Mother Earth offers a safe place to explore, a source of nourishment and possibility for growth. The wise woman guards the natural order of creation. Mm, mm, mm. Returning to her origins, the earth provides nourishment and a place to grow. The wise woman guards the natural order of creation. Mm. Let's do this a few more times, letting the Tao, earth, and sky meet in your womb as you're replenished and nourished. On this last passage, take all the time you need. Make it as smooth and harmonious and soft as you're guided back to your origins. As your hands rest at your womb, we'll just simply let our hands float up here and bring our feet back together, and just let your hands float up to your womb and then float down and just feel how your womb is connected to earth. You've merged yourself with earth and sky, and just like breathe the earth up into your womb and then your womb down into the earth in this beautiful exchange. In this beautiful exchange, giving it all back to Gaia, connecting and receiving. Yeah. One more, just giving it to Gaia, drawing it back up into your womb, and then closing your hands, sealing it into your womb. And if you'd like to make a little circle to seal it in, one direction, and then the other direction. Resting your mind in your center, returning to your origin. So beautiful. May this practice nourish you and your womb, connect you to the vast beauty and love and nourishment of your womb, and connect you to Gaia and all the children of the earth, whatever form they may take, blessing them and blessing you. We're gonna just pull down the heavens one more time, just inhaling. And this is our completion. We're letting our hands float down. We are completing this practice. We are integrating the wisdom of the Tao. And we are storing it into our dantian. And then really just let this extra energy go out to the side of your body and down your legs to the earth. And we'll bow out. And so we're going to have our right hand rise, like making a fist. We're rising to the occasion. Now is a time for your presence to be steadfast, right? And then the yin, the softness, that hidden in plain sight, that nourishment, and bringing yin and yang together, earth and sky, and creation. And we bow. We bow to each other, to all of us that are live in the circle, and everyone on the replay through time and space. And we bow to the returning to our origins, to return to the Tao, to return to that practice, to return to our circle, to return to our womb again and again. We bow to our teachers' teachers, and the teacher within. And we draw this to our hearts, and we step back across the threshold, back into our life. And I encourage you to share your experience, what you received, either live on Zoom or in the comments. I'd love to hear. Also, you want to get a copy of the book, and I'd love to see you in class.